This is a healthier version of zucchini bread that I have tested it and it turned out better than I expected. It's made without refined sugar, with less oil and without wasting any of the zucchini's natural moisture, and it turned out incredibly soft and moist. Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Zucchini season is just around the corner here and I've been excited to finally try a healthier zucchini bread recipe I've had in my mind for a long time. Let's get baking together. Before I begin, I preheated the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Then I started by grating about 2 cups of zucchini using the large holes of a box grater. Instead of squeezing out the zucchini's natural moisture, I reduced the amount of oil in the recipe, creating a healthier loaf and that still turns out wonderfully soft and delicious. Next, I whisked the eggs and vanilla for about 3 to 4 minutes until they became light, fluffy, and pale in color. Then I added the date syrup. You can also use any natural sweetener you prefer, and oil, and mixed very shortly until everything is combined. For the dry ingredients, I combined cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. And once everything was combined, I gently folded the dry ingredients just until no streaks of flour remained. I did this step very gently and with a spatula. Then I added the grated zucchini and half of the walnuts and mixed shortly with a spatula. One of the things I love most about this recipe is that we use the whole zucchini, including its natural moisture. Not only does that help create a beautifully tender loaf, but it also means there's no need to squeeze anything out and throw it away. By keeping all that moisture in the batter, we can use less oil while still getting a soft and delicious loaf. The batter goes into a prepared loaf pan lined with parchment paper and lightly greased. I sprinkle the remaining walnuts over the top for a little crunch and extra flavor. Then into the oven, it goes for about 15 minutes to 1 hour. Every oven is a little different, so be sure to check with a square before taking it out. Since this loaf contains plenty of moisture from the zucchini, it benefits from a slightly lower temperature and a longer baking time. The result is a beautifully risen zucchini bread with a soft, moist crumb, warm cinnamon flavor, and just the right amount of sweetness. The walnuts add a lovely nutty crunch, making every bite feel cozy and comforting. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more cooking adventure. And tell us in the comments what's your favorite way of using zucchini during the season.